Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this kind of simple, kind of dramatic makeup look for the holidays so you can stunt on your family or whatever plans you're going to, Christmas parties, all of that jazz. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, so this look was inspired by Dana Alexia. I saw this look in her vlog, so I recreated the same thing. She had a different like inner corner and a different lid color, I believe, but regardless, I saw this look and I tried to recreate it. I was inspired by it. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's jump right in to this look. As you can see, I already have one eye done. I feel like I need to zoom in just a little bit closer. So I'm going to start with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes. Alright, now that that's on, I'm not going to set it. I'm just trying out not setting it because Alyssa Ashley said that she stopped setting hers. My eyebrows look crooked as hell. So next, moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm gonna take Hunts on a big brush and put that all over the crease. I'm sorry that if it ever gets like out of focus, it's kind of hard for me to film this close up because I can't really move at all. So just gonna take this in a big blending brush and put that all over the crease. Also, the glitter on my other eye looks a little fucked up, honestly, because I was trying to make sure you could see it even when my eyes are fully open, and I think that I would have just been better off just like you not seeing it unless you were looking me dead in the eye. Alright, the next part took me like 3 different colors to achieve, and I wish I didn't have to go back in and recreate and redo all of them, but unfortunately I have to so that it matches. So I'm going in with Chip from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. I'm just packing it on. And then I'm going to blend it a little bit with like a smaller tapered brush. So blend it up a little bit into the crease. I'm being played because when I first put this color on in the other eye, it was not pigmented. It just disappeared, and now it's wanting to stay exactly. It's pigmented, like the fuck is this? Oh! Okay, so on this eye, I went in with Central Park from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It disappeared on my eye. Then I went in with the Morphe 360 palette and I took some random dark brown shade. Disappeared on my eye. And then I went in with Chip. And that's the color that ended up staying there. So that's the color. And it's not a difference without the fact, besides the fact that they're not even the same amount of colors. And I'm just gonna take another brush to blend that out. Wow. The funny thing is, when I started this look, I wanted to put Chip first, but I was like, no, I always use Chip. Let me pick a different color. And look what happened. Went right back to Chip. Alright, now I'm going to cut my crease using the Hard Candy Glamouflage and a little shader brush. Like literally a tiny one. Okay. Yeah, you see how tiny this is? That's how small I need it to be for me to get it correctly. And we're not cutting all the way. It's like a half kind of cut. And then I just learned how to do this, guys, so I'm going to be doing it all the time because I finally got it right. So for all my hooded eyelid girls, I just kind of close, like open my eyes to where I would normally look straight on, and I look at where the eye creases, and that's where I fold. You can usually see that crease though. Now that that's done, I'm gonna take this hard candy, it's some holiday palette. It's a few years old. And I'm gonna take this really vibrant gold right here, and that's what I'm gonna pack all over the area that we just put concealer on. Now that that's on, I'm going to take, I think this is from Hard Candy as well. It's literally just a silver glitter liner. It doesn't have a lot of, like, the product is settled a lot, so it kind of takes me a minute, but literally use any color you want. This is like the only glitter I have. I think a gold would go with this better, but I also like the way the silver really pops out against it. And then you're just going to kind of put this the same place that you cut your crease. Go up a little bit just so it can be seen just a smidge when your eye is open. Mine got really chunky when I was trying to like move it up a little bit, so I'll have to deal with that, but I'm fine with that, honestly. Just fanning my eye before I close it so it doesn't smear. Alright, for the inner corner, I put like 3 different shadows there, and none of them seem like to pop up. So I'm gonna take Faint, I guess, from the Jack and Hill palette and pop that in my inner corner. So I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild H2O proof eyeliner. This is the one with the felt tip. This has been like my favorite eyeliner. Like, alright, so I also didn't take the liner in all the way to my inner corner because I feel like that helps keep your eyes nice and open. But lashes, I think I was saying how my OGs were the Kiss 11, so these are like a more dramatic version of those. These are the Salon Perfect 614. I feel like this might be too natural for this look. So I was worried that these lashes would be too simple for this look, but they're perfect because they're long and wispy, and they're not thick enough to hide what you have going on your eye. I'm just gonna speed through my face makeup real quick. I guess just because my face makeup hasn't changed. So yeah, face is done. So I'm gonna go in and do my under eye real quick. I'm not wearing any highlighter today just because I don't want to wear highlighter. I don't know. I just like how it looks without the highlighter right now. So I'm going to take Chip and blend that under my eye real quick. And then I'm going to put some bottom mascara on. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara. So for lips today, well, first I should probably put some chapstick on. For lips, I'm gonna use this lip gloss from O. It is the Alyssa Ashley collaboration with O, her nude lip gloss. It's in Nude Rose, and that's all I'm gonna wear on my lips today. I might put some like clear gloss on top of it later for extra glossiness, but alright guys, so that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed watching me do this. I don't know, what is this? Simple glam makeup look. This is simple compared to the next makeup look that I want to do for the holidays. This is a simple glam makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.